Welcome to Eden's Patient Monitor Solution. Here we will go over solution introduction, workflow, and demo configuration. Eden's patient monitors have the ability to connect directly to your HIS EMR software using the TCP/IP server client option. Using the TCP/IP client option, the patient monitor will work as a server and your HIS EMR software will work as the client. The TCP/IP will establish a connection request. Once the connection is established, the patient monitor will upload the information using the HL7 format. For locations that have multiple monitors or cannot connect directly, Eden has a CMS software. The CMS software will connect the patient monitors so that the information can be transmitted to your HIS EMR using the TCP/IP client. This acts as a middleware to allow the patient monitor and the CMS to talk to each other and then upload the files in HL7 format. Using Eden's CMP protocol, the patient monitor and the CMS allow a bidirectional communication and allows the transmitting the HL7 format using the TCP/IP connection mentioned before. Eden also has the ability to connect our patient monitors via an HL7 gateway. Using Eden's CMP protocol, the patient monitors can speak back and forth to the gateway and allow the HIS and gateway to connect to each other via HL7 format. Once they are all connected on the same network, you can admit your patient using the HIS EMR software and upload it to the gateway. Once the patient information is stored, you can then query the patient information manually or use a barcode scanner. Once the information is located, it will download the information to the patient monitor, and then you can begin your examination. Once the examination is complete, it will re-upload the information to the HL7 gateway and then transfer the information via HL7 to the HIS EMR software. Our patient monitors have the ability to connect via wireless or hardwired cable. In this demonstration, we have configured our wireless patient monitor to 192.168.27.127. Our hardwired cable monitor is 192.168.27.126. Our CMS software is 192.168.27.125. And our HIS EMR software is 192.168.27.124. In order to connect the patient monitor wirelessly, you will first have to go into Maintenance, User Maintenance, enter the password ABC, then go into Network Maintenance, select Wi-Fi or wireless, enter the server IP, go into config, and connect to your wireless network. If you have a static IP, you can set it here. Connecting a wired monitor is essentially the same, except you will select a wired connection. We will then verify the CMS IP. Next, we will configure the workstation for the EMR software. Once we have configured the network information, we will have to verify that our configurations are correct. Here I am using Socket Test Tool to verify that I have configured everything properly. I enter the patient monitor ID, I enter the port number, which is 9100, and I connect. If I have configured everything correctly, I will receive a confirmation message of the current patient using HL7 format. Thank you for viewing this video.